me. Don't touch me.
Monday, October 30th, 2023. Palm Beach sheriffs responded to AA possible trespassing for an unknown individual.
What's going on?
I'm in like a rehab house. And I'm a former resident coming back. He's been out of here for like 4 months. Came back maybe like 2 months ago, and I'm like, what are you doing here? You gotta leave.
Yeah.
He comes back tonight. He don't want to leave. He's like, do something. And he has a history of violence, so he's schizophrenic.
Okay.
He's in the backyard of the house. Yeah, like I heard.
You just want him gone?
Yeah.
Do you want him trespassed or just gone for the night?
He's not supposed to be here, but I'm afraid he might come back because I heard a story from my boss telling me he heard a story that he got into a fight with the police. That's why I want to warn you guys. I don't know how he's going to react.
Okay.
He's about this tall and he's heavy set. Black gentleman named Sansaricq.
Okay. What was he here for? You said he was here previous?
Yeah, and then
what was he here for?
well, he's a schizophrenic. When they don't have a place to go, they, pay. We have classes and stuff for them, and we distribute meds to them.
Okay.
But he deals with Henderson, and Henderson took all his stuff like 6 months ago. So this is the second time he showed up. But this time last time he was more passive. I told him he got to leave. He left, but now he's back there. I have a house full of guys there. I'm worried about people's safety.
No, understandable. Like I said, we'll just wait for my partner and then...
Yeah, no problem. A lot of times after Baker Act people, usually they're willing to go, but so I know I have to, when you guys come, I deal with you. Sorry, I'm cold.
No, you and me both, man. Do you think he's trying to come back because of the weather? Because it's cold out? You don't know?
Well, he tried last time. He's been known to, leave houses and go back to his old houses that he's been in.
Gotcha.
Another house they have a trespassing warrant on him, court ordered.
Yeah.
So this doesn't become that with this guy. But he started getting aggressive, and I was like, well, if you don't leave, I'm going to call the cops.
And you said he was last seen where? Like in the back?
Yeah. The house is over here, and he's in the backyard because he knows some of the guys. And I told the guys, listen, don't agitate him. We'll just get the police to come.
Do you know his information off the top of your head, like first, last, date of birth?
No. I know his name is Sansaricq Gespere.
Do you know how to spell it?
He's in his late 30s. I don't know where he came from. He said he got out of the hospital. He's been gone. He's not a part of this house for 6 months. So I don't understand. But he has a history of going back to where he originally was at. So
I gotcha. Gentleman on property. He's not supposed to be here. I guess you said 6 months ago was the last time he was in this facility. Ended up showing back up. They told him to leave. He kind of refused. Reported to him from word of mouth. He fights law enforcement. So
you want to do additional?
What's he wearing?
He has like a baseball jacket. It was dark, so it looked navy and white.
Do you want trespass or just gone?
What's that detail?
So trespass is if he comes back within a year, he's going to go to jail. If he's gone for the night, I can ask him to go, but I can't force him to go.
Yeah, I want to trespass because I run a halfway house. I have clients.
You're the manager of the house, right?
I'm the manager of the house.
So you're allowed to tell people that to trespass and that kind of stuff. You're the representative of the halfway houses.
Yes.
Okay. What's your first name?
Brian, B-R-I-A-N.
And your middle initial?
J.
And your last name, please?
C-A-R-D-A-I.
What's your date of birth?
04/08/1972.
And a good phone number for you?
Pull it up.
It's so cold.
Yeah, I know. I'm shivering.
I had my thermal shirt on yesterday, and that was nice. I'm like, I threw it in the wash.
It's 561.
Yesterday it worked, but today.
9476.
9476?
Yeah.
Alright, we're just going to wait for additional units.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Yeah. That's why I told you guys. My boss told me a story about him like a month ago or something like that. So.
Okay.
That's why I called you guys. I don't want that to happen here.
Why do you come back tonight? To get out cold or something?
That's what I said too.
He has a trespass on another house he used to live in. That's what he was doing. He would go back to wherever he used to live and got thrown out of. And so they had a trespassing on him. So the last time he came, he left when I told him to leave. And now he's telling me, nobody's going to make me move. I don't care. We didn't do nothing about it. And I'm like, oh.
I wonder if this OAN is good for every house on here, or just the first house.
The gate?
Yeah, you see the trespass sign?
Yeah.
The sign on the bottom is called an OAN.
Is that for you guys? Do you guys have that, or is that for the...
So that's just trespassing right there.
Yeah, that's too. If you ask him to leave and he refuses to leave,
Yeah.
you got one right there too.
But, I'm afraid he might come back. That's the type of mindset he has.
Yeah, you guys need to get like some sort of lock for the gate.
That's up to the police resident here.
That's their gate?
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy how you could put up a gate, but
yeah,
there's multiple people that live on the street.
Yeah, there's two of us. There's mom and her son on the left over there. There we go.
Is that your guys is shooting off fireworks?
No, that's people across the street. It wouldn't be that cool to people with mental problems that have fireworks.
Is him walking toward us? He's wearing like dark colored jeans, white sneakers.
Yeah.
That's him?
That's him.
What's his name again?
Sansaricq.
Sansaricq?
Yeah.
You sure with a 51?
Hmm?
You sure with a 51?
Yeah, he wants a 51. What's up, man? Hey, just real quick, we just gotta talk to you real quick. Hang on.
Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What? I said don't touch me. What the fuck? What the fuck? I said don't touch me. What?
Get his arm. I got his arm. I got one arm.
I was just going walk.
I got his arm.
Play games. I was just going walk. What's your problem? Why don't we just go walk?
I was just gonna walk straight. I was just gonna walk straight.
Like, look
I was just gonna walk straight and walk away.
Give me another.
You do what the I told you. All right.
Shut up.
All right.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Roll over on your side, man. Sit up. Alright, we're gonna try this all over again, man. You gonna be cooperative?
I'm good, man. I'm a hired lawyer.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, stand up. Come on.
I can't stand up.
Why?
I gotta get help.
Alright, we're gonna roll this leg up underneath you. Ready, set, go.
Crockett, this Palm Beach County. Palm Beach County, Crockett.
You're right, it is.
Yeah, this Palm Beach
Start up.
561. 561. 561. Oh!
Stop it.
All right.
Stop it.
All right.
Okay, we're not playing any games here.
All right,
You're going to get in the car.
All right.
End of story.
I got
the left side.
All right.
This is for sure.
All right. I copy.
You just grab this right waistband.
Good.
Alright, I'm good.
But I just asked you. We're gonna start this over, man.
Nah, man. Stop. I'm a hired lawyer.
Sit down.
That's fine, you can, but you need
I'm
to be calm.
I'm fluent.
Shut up.
I'm fluent.
You good?
Can you just tell him that he's trespassed? If he doesn't listen to you, that's fine.
You just have to physically say it in front of us.
All right, friend. Go ahead.
Sansaricq, you're trespassing.
Look, man, don't say nothing to me, man. You don't know me. You don't know me no more. Don't say
Okay, we're just letting you know if you come back here again, you're going to jail, okay?
No, bro. I'm fluent. I'm a hired lawyer. That's fine, man.
Yeah, 16 Saraswati, yeah, 10-4. I'm involved in the call here. I'm 45.
I'm sorry.
That's all you need from me?
You want me to give him the case number?
Yeah,
I got you. Yeah, we'll give you a case number.
No.
Do you have any record of it? Like, since he was a patient at any
I
time?
don't think it's going to be overly cooperative. I'd rather not break his finger to get his ID.
Yeah, he's...
Do you know his last name?
His name is Gespere. Gespere.
Spell out G-E-S.
P-E-R-E, I think.
I'm just going to pull it up right here.
The individual, later identified as Sansaricq Gespere, was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, reststing arrest without violence, and trespassing.
You want to give me your name? If not, it's going to be another charge. Sir, are you going to identify yourself? 16 Bravo 2. Can I have someone with rapid ID 56 me at the district?
I'll bring it with a rapid. I'll go with the other two. Clear 2102.
And you're 100% that's how you spell his name? G-E-S-P-E-R-E?
If you want more crazy crime cases, like the video,
has
subscribe so you never miss the next release.
Give me a second.
And if this one hit for you, share it with a friend.
Okay.
2 more cases are waiting on screen, each one more unbelievable than the last. Don't leave without clicking the one that pulls you in first.